Hello everyone, Barb here from barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com. Today's project is my VIP card club kit for June of 2022. This is the card kit that I will be sending out. We will make this cute little card. This is to thank my VIPs. It's something that I like to do. If you'd like more information on what the Close to My Heart VIP program is, you can go to my online store, which is barbaderholt.closetomyheart.com, and you click on the VIP tab, and it gives you all of the information on how you can earn some goodies and some credit and all sorts of things. Anywho, the inspiration for this card came from the Make It From Your Heart Volume 4, and it is pattern number 5. That's the basis of where I got the idea. Sometimes when I'm stuck, I whip this book open and I find good things. The other items that I am using, layered butterflies. Oh, I love these. I love them. I am also using the fancy doilies. Now this is a new product. Just came out in the last month or so. Really neat. We're using this small doily. And I am pulling in the July, so you're getting a little sneak peek, July Voice of the Sea Stamp of the Month. So this is, I always struggle with these cute little images because I'm not very good at coloring things and doing that stuff. I am going to challenge myself to give it a try, but if nothing else, it has these cute little sentiments on there and little words that I think work beautifully. So that's your sneak peek. Card kit will include all of the pieces and parts that you need to make your little card. So we've got an envelope, card base, a piece of mocha cardstock, which is 4 by 5 1/4. Then a piece of this little striped paper. This is from days gone by. I don't even know what it came from. I have it at 5 by 3 3/4. But I just thought it was really cute and thought I would use it up. I have the solid layer, and then I used the beautiful Harbor glitter paper. Ooh, I love it. It is muy beautiful to do the butterflies, and then I repeated the white. There we go. White for the doily. This is the light side of peach cardstock and another piece of the mocha. This piece of mocha is 3 by 3. This piece of peach is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. That's just giving some nice layering. Then I have these 2 little pieces of mocha strips here that are 4 1/4 by 1/4 inch, and there are 2 of those. So let us get assembling. Got my card. I'm gonna pull in my ATG gun, and we're just putting together layers. That's all there is to this card. Nothing too tough. Again, it's a nice design that's great to have in your card stash arsenal. So when you need a quick card, you can just put one together with a few layers. And we've got the peach that I'm going to layer onto the smaller mocha. And then I'm going to put the mocha layers on up toward the top. And then I'm going to use a little glue. Ooh, but before we do that, we want to stamp our thanks. And I do that before I attach it, just in case I have trouble. I think I'll be okay here on my pad, on my surface here. I don't think I'll have any trouble with this thanks because it's kind of tiny. down and up. And the kits will include everything stamped for you as always. So here we go. I'm going to put a little glue here, and I might just dab a little around other parts, just a little bit. Get that layered on there, just like that. And then the two little strips, and I am using glue for these things because they're a little smaller. You could use tape runner, that would be fine. I think I'm going to use these lines on my Versamat here to help me line up these little strips so I'm not going cattywampus. And another little strip, and I'm going to bump it up, leaving about that 1/4 of an inch or so gap. Yeah, maybe a little less. I think I'll squish it down just a smidge, just like that. And then I'm going to glue down the butterfly. And I tried this card without the white layer. I had this on here like this, and it got lost to me. I just felt like it needed a little more attention. You can see here I got a couple little doodads I need to get out of there. There we go. And I put glue just in the middle on the body part, and I'm bending the wings up a little bit just to give them a little movement, and gluing that down right there so the wings will be a little loose. I like how that looks. And that's it. Super easy card to put together. Thank you so much for being my VIPs. I hope you enjoy putting your card kit together. Have a blessed crafty day, and I will see you next time.